Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to move taskbar to the top of the screen in Windows 10. So let's start. So here I show you two different ways to move your taskbar on the top of the screen in Windows. So let's start. The first, simply right click on the taskbar on the bottom side. Okay. And click on the last option, taskbar settings. And here the taskbar setting is open. Just scroll down and in taskbar location on screen option, just click on this drop down arrow and click on the top. And you can see your taskbar move on the top of the screen. Okay. Again, I click on this drop down arrow and select the bottom. I just close these and here I show you second way to move your taskbar on the top of the screen. Again, right click on the taskbar and here the second option, lock the taskbar. Here the option is showing the tick. It means taskbar is locked. To unlock the taskbar, simply click on this option. Now your taskbar is unlocked. Now just hold the mouse key and drag on the top. Here you can see your taskbar is moved on the top of the screen in Windows. Hope you understood. If you like it, please subscribe. Thank you so much.